Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to offload an individual app on iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me go back again. So in order to offload an individual app on your iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to tap on this general. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this iPhone storage. I'm tapping on it, and I have this iPhone storage, this screen opened, and you can see guys I have all my apps listed over here. Okay, so just go to the app that you want to offload and then tap on it to open it. So I want to offload this Facebook app, so let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's now opened, and on this screen you have to find this offload app, this link. Okay, and also here we have this little message. Let's read that. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the app store. So in order to offload, you have to tap on this offload app, this link. So let me tap on this, and at the bottom you can see I have this little screen opened. Offloading Facebook, whatever app you have. I have this Facebook. Will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So just read this message, and if you agree you can just tap on this offload app. So I agree this. So let me tap on this offload app, this button. I'm tapping on it, and you can see it's now offloading. So just wait, and it's now done guys. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way you can easily offload an individual app on iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.